Grab a quick sound check before your next hybrid meeting and get your message across in a safe and clear way. Connect from a quiet location. Close the windows and doors. Do not connect while on the move or in a public place. Don't connect from your phone either. The quality is just not good enough. For good sound, you need a good microphone. This is what you're likely to sound like with the built-in microphone of your device or your webcam.
The success of your remote intervention is ultimately down to whether people can hear you.
Let's fix that. Best sound is guaranteed by an external tabletop microphone or a lapel microphone. Once you've tried it, you'll never go back. Let's try again.
The choice of microphone will make or break your remote intervention.
That's great! Crisp and clear for all meeting participants, including the interpreters getting your message across. Connections from the outside, on the move or without video cannot be interpreted.